Hello and welcome to another episode of Retro Cars Reborn. As you can see, we're once again with the beautiful 1984 Capri, and yeah, bodywork resumes. So this is what I'm having a bit of a problem with. See if I can get it. You see the indent that it's given in the filler. So basically this piece of panel here isn't really flat. It kind of swoops in a little tiny bit. So it's really hard, and it's becoming really difficult to try and get that to swoop in. So obviously I'll continue doing it, and we'll have a little bit of an update in a second. So with the dust still fresh in the air, now gone and done the inner arch. I've managed to do this bit here. Doesn't look too bad. It feels like glass when you touch it, so I'm pretty confident in it. Again, I've just gone with the 120 grit, 140 grit, 325, 500, and then just gone over the top with the 1500. Again, you can go over it again if you really want to, but again, like I said, this is never ever going to be mint. I don't think I'll ever be able to get it mint. I'm not a pro at this at all, but it'll just be 10 times better than it was, and hopefully it'll last me a good couple of years. So again, just like before, I'll clean all the area up now, get it masked off, and we'll get some primer on this bad boy. Well, the masking off is atrocious as usual. I think I'm going to end up with a hard line here, definitely. But you never know, I might end up respraying the entire bloody car. So we shall see how it goes. Wish me luck. I'm pretty happy with this. Does look pretty decent. I can definitely see blemishes and bits in it, but again, it's all got to be rubbed down again before painting. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the result. So it's been a couple of days since it was done. It's certainly looking good. Look at that. It's gorgeous. A little bit missed there, but nothing to be ashamed about that. I think it's a final final coat on it before it can be painted. Anyway, but yeah, super happy with that. Down here looks pretty good as well. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Super happy with that. So that's going to be the worst bit. But I'm not too fussed about the stickers because you can still buy new. And yeah, that's the bit that's not been done yet. Versus the bit that's been done. Oh, gorgeous. Yeah, so all in all, well happy with the sill now. Well happy with this arch. And this rear pocket, looking amazing. It feels a lot smoother than it did. Definitely feeling this back quarter. This rear balance, it's gorgeous now. So there we are with all the paper out of the way and tape out of the way. Apart from the bottom of the door, because obviously it's going to need spraying again, so I'm not going to mask that off again. But yeah, looks mint. Well happy with the progress. While I'm down here on the floor, enjoying life, I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, tell me if I'm doing a right shit job or a dead good job, because I mean, look at that, that's probably going to turn out to be awful. But until I get around doing it, I ain't going to know, am I? So yeah, so leave us a like, leave us a dislike if you think I'm doing a crappy job. And I've been Lee, and I'll see you on the next episode of Retro Cars Reborn, when we're going to tackle this front wing. It's full of holes, and it's rusty, just like most Capris.